Hey guys, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube. Today we're looking at Video Marketing Blaster Pro. It's one of the products available from the BlasterSuite tools. You can find that link directly under this video. Just click on it, it'll take you to the page where you can learn more about this product and all the other marketing tools they have that many of them even integrates flawlessly with Video Marketing Blaster Pro. And so here we are inside the software, and the first thing you're going to see is the dashboard, which gives you an overview of all of your campaigns and things you've currently done. And over here you're going to see the popular searches available within the United States on YouTube or any of these other countries that you select. Now as we move on to the next tab for keywords, this allows us to enter a main keyword and find a lot of information very quickly that would otherwise take us a long time to do, such as finding your competitors, getting search results, generating video details, and also researching other keywords that we may find of interest to use within our campaign. So the first thing we want to do is type in our main keyword, and for this example I'm going to be looking to do a possible project with portable air compressors, and so I want to go ahead and just type in that main keyword. And we're going to click on research keyword. Now sometimes this can take several minutes, maybe upwards of 5 minutes, and so what I'm going to do is pause the video until it's done gathering this information, and then we'll review it. Okay, and so it took nearly about 5 minutes, and now we have a list of keywords that Video Marketing Blaster has gathered for us, as well as the source where the keywords came from, the ranking, and the search results. And so what we can do is we can skim through this list and we can go check some of the keywords that we like. For example, we'll go down here and just check some of these. And we'll just leave it at that for now. And now what we can do is we can copy these to the clipboard, and we can move on to the next step, which is the video details. So when we move over here, you can see here that it's already taken our main keyword, portable air compressors, and it's created a title, a description, and some tags for us based upon the top ranked videos on YouTube. Now we can change these if we want to by simply double clicking on any of these down here pre-selected titles that it's given for us, as well as the suggested phrases and tags. We can change any of these by double clicking, and it'll add them to the information here that we upload for our YouTube videos. But what I want to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to do semi-automatic, or actually let's just do, we'll do from competitors, and for our keyword we're going to paste in the ones that we just copied, and we're going to click on start generating. And what this is going to do is it's going to take all those keywords, gather that information, and for each one of those keywords it's going to create a title, a description, and tags for us based upon the top ranked videos and what it suggests for us that will help us to increase our chances of being in the top results on YouTube. And so what I'm going to do, you can see it going through the process here of collecting all the information. It's scraping data from Google, putting together titles for us, descriptions, and tags, all this so we don't have to do it. And so I'm going to go ahead and let it run through and do this, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we have all of our keywords here and all the information has been built and put together for it, we can further refine it by adding our own information to it if we'd like. We can also right click on any of the keywords, and it gives us additional options to adding certain text before descriptions, before tags, titles. We can also capitalize the first letter of all the words of the title. We can replace items. There's just different things you can do here, and you can generate more video details for a particular keyword. So if you want to duplicate a keyword and get more content for it, you can do that as well. Now once you're satisfied with these, you can simply select all of them. Oh, I forgot to mention too, if you select one of these keywords and click on view suggestions, it's going to give you an estimated amount of views, likes, comments, and subscribers that it would take for you to get in the top ranking position for this particular keyword. Now remember, this is just an estimated amount, and Video Marketing Blaster Pro, all the BlasterSuite products, within here you can also use their own service that they have for buying views if you do that type of YouTube marketing. And so once you have your keywords, you can simply select them all, click on export, and you can export all the items and the details to the Mass Video Blaster Pro software, to a CSV file, or to the live event blaster. So, and all these other tools that they have integrate so well together. You would simply open up the other tool that you're using, such as the Mass Video Blaster Pro, you would import the file, it automatically load it, and then from there you can, if you'd like to further edit, refine it, you can. If not, you can schedule the videos to go out within multiple YouTube accounts, within a single YouTube account, and you can schedule it for certain days to be put out onto those accounts. So, and the same thing with the Live Event Blaster, you can have it scheduled to go out to different accounts for live events. And this is a great way to also kind of test the water with certain keywords using Live Event Blaster and kind of find out where they're going to rank, since using Live Event Blaster is a great tool to kind of get your feet wet within a certain maybe topic, niche, or keywords because with most live events they do rank very, very quickly within a matter of a few minutes. And so once you post your videos up on your live event stream on one of your YouTube channels, you can go in there and you can see where they're ranking and find out for sure if it's ranking well enough, if those are words or keywords that you want to target and focus on to really build a huge campaign upon. So overall, if you do YouTube marketing and if you want a quick way to find a lot of information based upon keywords, based upon your competitors, and also how profitable they may be, then Video Marketing Blaster Pro is an excellent tool to do that with. I also want to mention another keyword tool that I use for all my projects and campaigns, and I want to show you guys just real quickly what it does, how it works, and how it may benefit you as well. Okay, so this is a tool called KW Finder. You can find a link for it underneath this video as well. And you can, for this tool, all you have to do is enter a keyword and either click on the suggestions tab, the autocomplete, or the questions, and it's going to give you back a variety of keywords related to that. And you can go through here and you can select the ones that you like, the ones you don't like. It's going to show you the search trend based upon the Google search trend data, as well as an estimated search volume, estimated cost per click, the level of competition in pay-per-click advertising, and how difficult it is to rank for these keywords. Now what it does is it takes this data here and it puts it together on the right hand column for whatever keyword you click on. For example, if we was to go down here and click on 80-gallon air compressor, it's going to load the data over here. It's going to show us the search trend. It's going to show us whether this keyword is easy or difficult to rank for, as well as the top 10 search results. And we can see more information such as the domain authority, the page authority, links, Facebook, and how difficult it is to beat each one of these. Now we can even research further in that by clicking on Analyze SERPs, and it will go into more detail and break each one of these down more. But just to give you a quick idea, this tool is extremely beneficial to anyone who does online marketing, and I do highly recommend it. Now, before I end this video, there's a couple other things that I do want to talk about. For one is the competitors tab up here. If I click on that, it's going to show me a very colorful and bright screen here that kind of breaks down everything of the top ranked videos for that particular keyword. And you can scroll down here and you can see the details. They have little images here showing you whether the SEO is good or bad. It tells you how many views the videos have, the comments, the likes, the channels, and its overall score, as well as the views per day. And there's a lot of different things you can do with this information if you work with YouTube. Lastly, there is the rank tracker, which will allow you to add your YouTube videos in here, and it's going to show you where they're going to rank on Google. And so that's all there is to it with Video Marketing Blaster. Less than 5 minutes, you can have a whole campaign set up for a massive list of keywords for something that you want to promote or get traffic to. And so I do highly recommend this product. It works extremely well for affiliate marketing. It works great for local marketing and pretty much anything that you want to start getting traffic to. So that's my review of Video Marketing Blaster Pro. You can get more details about it by visiting the link under this video. But overall, guys, this is one of the best tools out there available for YouTube marketing. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll be notified of all future updates that we have. And until then, have a great day.